Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be cooking Thanksgiving dinner. It's my first time cooking Thanksgiving in general, so we'll just have to see. Hope you guys like this video. Hopefully everything goes right and I don't mess up. And yeah, so let's get started. We got the Jiffy. So I got this pan. Just now we're gonna pour the cornbread in this pan. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut an onion for the stuffing slash dressing. I'm just gonna say I never cut an onion before. It's my first time. So yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna take off this stuff. I don't even know what to do. What am I even supposed to do? I'm making a mess. Because I don't know what I'm doing. You know what? I figured it out. Just gotta go like this. I did this right, huh? Look. Nice.
Miss Jackson.
Is that not dice? Smaller. Alright, y'all. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, since I kind of messed it up, I'm gonna just go like this. So I kind of I can't even talk. I'm kind of doing this okay. I think I don't know if this is diced up enough, but oh my gosh. Ugh. Don't fuck me up, don't let me go. Alright guys, so I'm done with the cutting up onions right there. So now I'm gonna cut up oh my gosh, I can't even think. 2 sticks of celery. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I watched this off too. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we just gonna try it. I feel like alright, so took out the cornbread, finished the celery and onions. Now we're gonna start on the chicken because we're not gonna do turkey because I wasn't gonna do all that. So we're gonna get these things, chicken party cookies. Alright, I'm finna go clean the chicken real quick. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Alright, y'all, I'm done. I added more seasoning, that's why it probably look a little different in the color. And I tied it up in the bag. Put it flat, and now I'm gonna put it in the. Alright guys, so don't mind all the noise because it's kind of loud in here. So I got my pan. I'm gonna start the macaroni. So yeah. Took your risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart? Now that the macaroni noodles are done, I'm gonna start this. I don't know what it's called. Macaroni and cheese sauce. So the first thing I gotta do, is 1 egg. 2 cups of what's called evaporated milk. So I'm gonna add the butter into the noodles and then mix it around and add cheese and stuff.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. I'm studying more than my heart. Didn't think the end would be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear me coming up. You ain't no longer time without. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. Yeah, I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your loving means, oh. Yeah, don't let me go, yeah. You know I wanna be around. I'm studying more than my heart is in my head. So I think I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Just never wanna drown. I need to hear me coming up. You ain't no longer time.
Good. I didn't realize it would come out like that.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down.
Alright, y'all. So now I'm gonna make, what are they called? Sweet potato yams. Sweet potato yams. So, yeah. So what do I do? Don't do less than half or more. Yeah. Pour this sugar. Some brown. Now we need the brown sugar.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running